कि खुबोर का बातें सी टीवी Lawan Rashaphi ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kaljingalang kekenuhun ki Menteri Sarkar hak arpsau terik ukulalang kot arja arpsau. Kala Syiem karai ban plipat ba yu mat Tirot Syiem hadhaka hagari Bangladesh. Hadien belawai kejingalang ki Menteri Sarkar haba keren sigilat petai kubuar. Menteri Ketenagaan Arts and Culture ubak polling do ulai thup ba hak khandru terik urumpang arja arpsau. On plipat ba yu mat Bashirynieng Syiem Tirot Sing hadhaka. Bat ya kani kekenhuan onyalam do sembut Menteri Rangba Sarkar jela ubak senyau balang dhar ringkat kejingsen lang Menteri Ketenagaan Arts and Culture ubak polling do. Ulai thuru bayau ni umat lasna penwandur do ubak Rafael Wajri.
We also are happy to announce here that on the 16th of next month, the state government has been talking to the Indian High Commission of Bangladesh, and on the 16th of February next, we will be unveiling a life-size statue of Tirot Singh and also a bust of the renowned warrior of the state and Dhaka. The program will be the delegation will be led by the Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Syiem and I will also be accompanying the team as the program has been at the behest of the Department of Arts and Culture. We will be sharing more details about the program as we approach closer to February 16.